I'm so excited.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mitch from Momandkidzstyle and this is my son Ricky.
Hi!
And today we're going to unbox this product that we received today in the mail. So this is perfect right now, this summer. This is an outdoor explorer kit that kids can do on your backyard, you know, this time around. Of course, a lot of the kids, you know, got bored, especially I have my toddler here that we always stay at home, you know, because of the COVID. So this is a perfect idea for them to kind of like explore and have this kit. So let's go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of selection for kids toys in the Amazon. So I'll going to put the link in my description box, and also there's a 5% off if you're going to avail this one. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this one, baby. So you wanted to unbox this?
This.
So let's open it. So inside there is this one. So it's like an artificial bag. It's a spider. So this is how it looks like, guys. And as you could see there inside, there is a spider. But this is only artificial one. It's not real. And like that. So yeah, which one is the next one? So what else do you get? And there is this one. So there's a magnifying glass as well, as you can see here.
It's so shiny.
It's so shiny, right?
So,
And then the next one, what else?
that one.
So it also comes with a binocular.
No, it goes this way.
No, in this way.
Oh.
This way. So you can put it around here. And then we're going to adjust it later. And then what else? Ta-da! You got this! Oh! So it also comes with a flashlight, and it has, you could hang it onto your bag, or, you know, so that's how it looks like. And then what else, baby? And the next thing we got is this one. So this is too big. I think this will fit your sister. My son is 3 years old, so I think this one could fit up to maybe like 8 or 10, something like that. So that's how it looks like. And it's really nice material, guys. Oh yes! Yeah, kids were gonna like it really too. And then, so it comes with the bag here. You put all the stuff in, and then look, they also comes with this one, magnet. And
That's the box.
yes, touch the bags and has, oh, you can.
No, I can touch it with this thing.
Yeah. Okay. So for the price of everything, you know, it will comes with this one, and it, like I said, it's really nice material. You can wash this one too. And then this one comes with this, so 2, and then it comes with the flashlight, and it comes with the whistle, and it comes with this,
And it comes with this too.
and it comes with this. And with this, touch the bags, the neck, and then this one, and this one, and this one. So many. So for the price, I think, guys, it's very reasonable. So go ahead and check them out. Like I said, you know, there's a lot of play kit, you know, something like activities for the kids, you know, to be enjoy while you're staying at home. So thank you so much, Tapsmigo, for sending us this.
Thank you so much, guys.
So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you get interested with the product, you can find the link in my description box, and please do check them out in their store in Amazon, where you could find all the exciting toys for the toddlers and also, you know, for kiddos. And it's really good idea. They have a lot of costume and some activities set that you could let the kids play around, you know, even you're staying at home, you know, there's a lot of fun activities that you could let them do in your backyard. You know, I'll going to put the link in my description box, so please check them out. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and as always, stay safe, and I'll see you all in our next one. Bye.